Level 1. The runner. You're 15 in Karachi. School is a joke, home is crowded, and opportunity is a myth. A man in a black shalwar kameez approaches you outside a tea stall. "Want to make real money?" he asks. You nod. "Tomorrow, 5:30 a.m., he tells you. A rickshaw will pick you up. Inside are packages of smuggled electronics, fake passports, and sometimes small arms. Your job is simple. Run errands, deliver packages across the city. You work sunrise to sunset, sweating under the monsoon heat, dodging police patrols and curious neighbors. At the end, he hands you 5,000 rupees. Cash. Real cash. You did good. Come back tomorrow. You're hooked. Level 2. The courier. You're 18. The man in the black shalwar has a name now. Abbas. The regional fixer. You're trusted with larger consignments. Drugs hidden in sacks of rice. Weapons hidden inside furniture. Your route is precise, coded, dangerous. One wrong turn and you're facing both police and rival gangs. You deliver on time. You get paid more than anyone in your neighborhood earns in a month. A week comes when a driver disappears. A boss sends you to retrieve the lost goods. You track him to a rooftop in Layari, corner him, and hold a gun to his ribs. You don't pull the trigger, but your message is clear. Business first, emotions later. You are learning. Violence is a tool, first. Fear a currency. Level 3, the enforcer. You're 22. Your name is whispered in local bazaars. Those who owe money, those who cross Abbas. You are the shadow they see at night. Your work isn't delivery anymore. It's enforcement. You break arms, intimidate families, make examples. You attend meetings with higher-ups, learning how territories are carved, how police and politicians are bought, how smuggling routes are optimized. You're not just muscle. You're intelligence, calculation, and fear wrapped in a single presence. You understand now. Loyalty is scarce, betrayal is a constant threat, and power demands sacrifices. Level 4, the strategist. You're 28. You run your own operation. Containers come from Dubai, drugs from Afghanistan, weapons from Iran. You coordinate drivers, secure bribes, and deliver shipments without a single loss. Your income is astronomical. Your network sprawling. You recruit hackers to launder money. You acquire front businesses, construction firms, shipping companies, electronic stores. You negotiate with politicians, manipulate courts, and outwit law enforcement. You wear a suit now, but you remember every alley you ran through, every package you delivered. You are no longer a boy running errands. You are a ghost orchestrating an empire. Level 5, the kingpin. You're 35. Karachi, Lahore, Quetta. They all know your shadow. You control multiple factions, international routes, cyber operations, and money laundering networks. Your word is law. Contracts, threats, and deals happen in your office overlooking the sea. Rivals try to move against you. You respond with precision. Assassinations, financial ruin, and strategic alliances. You are untouchable. And yet every night, paranoia gnaws at you. Every ally could betray. Every call could be a trap. Power is intoxicating, but isolating. Level 6, the exile. You relocate to Dubai, a haven for your wealth, but a prison for your life. Offshore accounts, luxury villas, private security, yet family weddings, funerals, and birthdays are missed. You operate globally, smuggling rare goods, orchestrating cyber heists, coordinating arms deals. You have everything money can buy, but freedom is gone. Every meal, every meeting, every sip of tea is under scrutiny. You exist in a golden cage, the world watching, the law always looming. Level 7, the hunted. Interpol and Pakistani authorities close in. Assets frozen, travel restricted, red notices issued. Rivals plot, allies scheme, enemies lurk. Dubai is a fortress, but threats come by air, land, and sea. Each day is a calculation. You trust no one fully. Your bodyguards, accountants, lawyers, all are potential threats. Sleep is scarce. Your life is measured not in years, but in safe movements and avoided bullets. Every decision could be the last. Level 8, the end. It happens on a human Thursday in Dubai. You are having lunch in a quiet seaside restaurant. Security is outside, as always. You sip tea. Moments later, a chill runs through your body. Poison. Your vision fades. You collapse. The ambulance comes, but your time has run out. The empire, the power, the fear you commanded, none of it matters. Death is impartial. Your story ends not with triumph, but with inevitability. The streets of Karachi, the offices in Dubai, the servers in Europe, they move on without you. The machine never stops. And somewhere, a boy of 15 waits outside a tea stall, ready to begin where you left off.